We understand that the quote process actually embarks you onto the journey towards getting a successful order done. We at Glazeforce have realized the power of quoting process and made this so efficient so that you can do the quote in a matter of few seconds. Let's understand how. For example, we are at a contact Chris Evans who is associated to a account and you wish to send a quick quote to him. Let's say you have never done any business with him earlier, so this is the first time you're sending a quote to him. We easily go into the screen called contact and we hit next. Once you hit next, you have the quote created. Next in line is about adding the line items. In line items, we mean the products. So it's all about creating the products which are divided into three categories. One is main, process, and manual. Let's dive deeper into them. So for example, you have a set of products which are the main products for your industry. We have divided this into three parts, and the reason is something that we would get to know very soon. Say for example, we have added the product 6.4 laminated glass sheet, and we are just going to add the width and the height to it. Everything is in millimeters, and you can even add the quantity. Now you know what is happening out here is that you have already now understood the pricing is coming into picture as well. The second thing that you do is you add a process to it. By process, we mean that you could add a spacer to it, you could add more things like a uh, diamond leads, warm edge, and things like the same. The products here are very specific to the glass industry, and these are the things that you can very specifically relate or resonate as well. So let's say we add a duplex bar. Now you can see that once you add a duplex bar, it doesn't come with a width and a height, but definitely it copies the quantity from the main. So the main product is actually a flattened glass, and you add a duplex bar to it. So this is how you can create a code. You could add more things, like you could add a manual thing, which is nothing but a labor charge. For example, you want to add some labor cost to it, so you could add like labor cost, and you could give it a price as you wish to. So this only makes your part more easy and easily customizable. You can save this code. Once you save the code is now ready to be sent out. When you click send code, all you're doing is that you're going to send out this code easily along with a code pack. What is a code pack? A code pack are basically things which are like a brochure which could have more details about your business. This only opens up also a point that you could add more files to it. You could even add a PDF file and you can hit send. Boom, that's it. Once you hit send, the code goes out and even the code packs as well. You could easily see the same in the email where you find the entire code. Let's quickly check out the email. And here you go. So you have the quote options. You already see some logo out there. You see the product name, you see the quote number, you see the total, and then you have the discount, which is 0% out here. And if you go down, you'll even see the quote pack. These quote packs are subsequently created for every business. You can see most of the things out here are static, while some of them are dynamic, which includes things like the client address and more sensitive information. So this is a kind of a dynamic template which only makes the whole process easier. The entire thing takes place in less than 2 minutes of your time. That's how easily you can create a quote. There's also an option to accept this quote, which comes with a button out here, which we have purposefully removed for the time being. But then your clients can actually hit the button out here, and once they click on accept, the same code gets accepted inside Salesforce. What I mean by accepted is that the code inside Salesforce moved to the next stage, which is accepted. This all happens automatically behind the scenes, and let's say that we have got accepted code. Let's see what happens in the next section. Thank you.